Playbook football. We'll do the same as always. Top, bottom, left, right, every other. That one wants to fall off the table, just like the rest of those. Yo. Top, bottom, left, or right? Say, yes, I will recap Tier 1 after we get done with our playbook. Which teams did you have? I did send out last night's stuff. It was sent, it was dropped off the post office probably 3 o'clock today. The Red Sox. I do not believe the Red Sox had anything in Tier 1. I don't believe the Red Sox had anything in Tier 1. But we'll run back through real quick. Had a Johnny Bench for the Reds. Had a John Smoltz, the Braves. Had a Neftali Flees, the Rangers. Had a Gary Sheffield, the Yanks. Had a Sean Markham for the Mets. Shelby Miller for the Cardinals. Had a Blue Jays of Jose Bautista. Had a Reds, Johnny Cueto. Had a Will Myers, the Rays. Had a Rangers, Nelson Cruz. Derek Holland, the Rangers. Had a Salvi Perez, the Royals. Had a Indians, Jason Kipnis. Had a Matt Harrison, the Rangers. Had a David Freese, the St. Louis Cardinals. Jason Hayward, the Braves. Big one, Hank Aaron, Copper Rose. Hank Aaron, Copper Rose. And first one, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubbies. Was our Tier 1. Alright, so left side, right side. You're welcome, Kraft. Let's see here. Left side, right side. The only person was odds. So we'll go odds then. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. Playbook football. Box 1. So if I need that box back, start putting some of these extra boxes in there. Box 1, playbook football. So the last playbook we did, we had a nice Richard Sherman on it. Box 1. Got a auto out of 10. Look at this guy's 1/1 plate last night in black. The Jaguars, Matt Scott. Matt Scott out of 10 for the Jags. Matt Scott out of 10 for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Got a base card of Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay Packers. Aaron Rodgers base. And out of 99. Out of 99. Got a quarterback Brad Sorensen, San Diego Chargers. Brad Sorensen for the Chargers. Brad Sorensen. Joey G. Got out of 271 Joseph Randall for the Cowboys. Say, you got 2 packages coming from us. I did not put the extra stuff we did last night with your eBay stuff. So you got 2 of them coming from us. Joseph Randall, Cowboys, out of 271. Nice looking patch in there too. Joseph Randall, for the Cowboys. So if you by chance you get one of them early, you got 2 of them coming from last night. Bengals base out of 199. Giovanni Bernard. You're going good. Giovanni Bernard for the Bengals. Giovanni Bernard out of 199 for the Bengals. Box 2. Playbook football. You did. You got those Chargers. The wrong person. Got a redemption. Oh, that's not bad. Rookie Playbook Signature Platinum. Rookie Signature Playbook Platinum. Let's see what that's going to be numbered out of. This one might be a pretty good one. Let's check the checklist. Rookie Signature Playbook Platinum. Let's go with the, let's see here. Football. 2013 Panini. Playbook. Alright, let's see here. Playbook Booklet Signature Platinum. This one is going to be out of card, going to be out of 25. Out of 25. Going to the Donkeys, Peyton Manning. Booklet Signature Platinum, numbered out of 25 for the Denver Broncos, Peyton Manning. It's a good booklet right there. Peyton Manning for the Broncos. Peyton Manning, going to the Broncos. We just checked Paninis. I thought maybe the Platinums were going to be a 101, but the Platinums are numbered out of 25. Peyton Manning for the Broncos out of 25. Cannot stand the Broncos, but I won't mind having one of those. Got a rookie auto out of 10. This is a pretty good box turning into. Steelers, Le'Veon Bell. Eric, did you get the Steelers tonight? Le'Veon Bell, numbered, I think it says 1 of 10. 7 of 10. 7 of 10. Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Good hit for the Steelers. Le'Veon Bell. The Vikings, we need to get a nice Cordero Patterson. Got a nice 3-colored auto patch out of 49. Stedman Bailey for the Rams. Stedman Bailey for the Rams out of 49. Stedman Bailey for the Rams out of 49. Hey, we got a down and dirty. Down and dirty out of 25. 4-colored patch of Fred Jackson, Buffalo Bills. Freddie Jackson. Buffalo Bills. Greedy, which teams did you get? Fred Jackson, Buffalo Bills. Down and dirty out of 25. Fred Jackson. Down and dirty, Buffalo Bills. I think that's the first down and dirty that we've gotten that's had a patch on it. We've had about 4 or 5 of those down and dirties, and they've all been single-colored jerseys. Box number 3. Box 3. The Lions and the Falcons. Got a Raider out of 25. Getting a lot of low-numbered autos tonight. It's nice. Raiders, Connor Vernon out of 25. Connor Vernon for the Raiders out of 25. Got a Mammoth jersey out of 99. Mammoth jersey. Superchargers, Manti Te'o. Manti Te'o, Mammoth jersey out of 99. Our 2 books. First one is an autographed picture out of 49. Chargers, Manti Te'o. 2 Te'os in the same box. A Mammoth jersey and an autographed picture out of 49 for the Chargers, Manti Te'o. And booklet number 2. Got a nice, this one's out of 271, 3-colored Arizona Cardinals, Andre Ellington. Arizona Cardinals, Andre Ellington. Andre Ellington. 3-colored, 271, Andre Ellington. These are nice cards. So we've got, we'll probably get another case for next week too. Got a Bengal. Trying to think some of the better hits we had in the last case, too. Got a Bengal out of 49, Tyler Eifert. Tyler Eifert for the Bengals. Last case, we had a nice Joe Montana auto. Had a nice Richard Sherman auto. All right. Had a Keenan Allen in the last case. Got another Mammoth jersey out of 99. Back-to-back boxes. Back-to-back Mammoth jerseys of Chargers Manti Te'o. Manti Te'o. Back-to-back. This one is numbered 2 of 99. We'll zoom in on that. 2 of 99. The one right before it was numbered 67 of 99. 67 of 99 and 2 of 99. Back to back. Manti Te'o. So we're going to get a Manti Te'o, another autographed picture. Steelers jumbo jersey. Marquise Wheaton. Marquise Wheaton. Steelers, 271. Marquise Wheaton. Or excuse me, 199. Marquise Wheaton, 199. Your autograph book. Got a nice Ram out of 10. Tavon Austin. Tavon Austin. This one is numbered out of 10. Number 2 of 10. Tavon Austin, 2 of 10 for the Rams. Tavon Austin. That's 3-colored auto patch. 2 of 10 for the Rams. Last box, playbook football. Then we're going to run back the other half of that, I think, on Sunday. I think Saturday or Sunday, we're going to run back the other half of that. To go with your autographed booklet, how about a base, Peyton Manning? Peyton Manning base. And a Green Bay Packer out of 5. Green Bay Packers are slim pickings in playbook. Out of 5, Jermichael Finley. Jermichael Finley for the pack, numbered 3 of 5. 3 of 5, Jermichael Finley for the pack. Got a veteran auto out of, I can't read that, 39, Dolphins. Veteran out of 39, Larry Zonka. Larry Zonka for the Miami Dolphins out of 39. Larry Zonka, 39. Let's see that many Larry Zonka autos. For your Kansas City Chiefs, another one out of 10. 3-colored auto patch. Nile Davis. Another auto out of 10. This one numbered 3 of 10. So back-to-back boxes, back-to-back auto patches to 10. Tavon Austin, Nile Davis. Kansas City Chiefs. And another down and dirty. This is a pretty good case. Another down and dirty. This one's out of 25. Redskins, Alfred Morris. Redskins, Alfred Morris. So Larry Zonka, veteran auto. Peyton Manning, autographed booklet. 2 down and dirties. Le'Veon Bell to 10. Nile Davis to 10. Tavon Austin to 10. Tavon Austin. Or Alfred Morris. Finishing what was it? Playbook tonight.